Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process for your Lenovo X1 Carbon, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup tool. Make sure you have a clean workspace and all necessary components ready. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. Remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically several screws located along the edges, so be sure to keep them organized for reassembly. Once you have removed the screws, carefully pry open the back panel with the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. After the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Next, locate the battery connector and disconnect it to prevent any power from flowing through the device. This is a crucial step to ensure safety during the repair process. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. After disconnecting the battery, turn your attention to the display assembly. You will need to remove the screws holding the screen in place. These screws are usually found along the metal bezel of the screen. Make sure to keep track of each screw as you remove them. Once all screws are removed, use the suction cup tool to gently lift the screen away from the base. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may be cables still connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables, taking note of where each one connects. Now that the old screen is removed, it's time to prepare the new screen for installation. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal components to ensure optimal performance. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe any dust or debris away. When you're ready to install the new screen, align it with the mounting points and reconnect any cables you previously disconnected. Make sure everything is securely attached before proceeding. Once the new screen is in place, reattach it by securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the screen. Now, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Secure the panel by tightening all the screws you removed at the beginning. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for our convenient pickup and delivery service at your home. It's a hassle-free way to get your device repaired without any calls or travel. After everything is securely in place, power on your laptop to test the new screen. Check for any display issues and ensure that everything is functioning as expected. If you notice any problems, we can provide a quote before repair to help you understand your options. In summary, replacing the screen on your Lenovo X1 Carbon involves careful disassembly, proper handling of internal components, and meticulous reassembly. Taking your time with each step will ensure a successful repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.